Really? Did you get a new car?
No.
No. What kind of car is that?
Pull that.
Ethan pulled that? That
Yeah.
goes right there. Goes in that hole. Is Ethan driving your car?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like your new car?
No. I can't do it.
Do you like your new car? Emma, is that a Barbie car? Yeah. Do you like it? Are you still scared?
Still scared.
You're still
Is this the
scared?
same age difference between the kids that used to live next door? Roughly?
Whitney and
Bye.
No.
Kaden.
No.
Uh-oh. Ethan.
It's Whitney.
Beep, beep. You like the beep, beep? Beep, beep.
That's about the same.
Baby.
Oh, wait, no, it's not.
You like your new car?
Not even close.
Pretty soon you'll be driving it all over the neighborhood, right? Look at me. Say thank you for my new car.
Thank you, my new car.